Winter is coming.
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 You were cold as ice.
What's going on? It's Bapetown here with another video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information on the latest Bape. Let's get into the video. The Color Camo Double Shark Hoodie. The Color Camo, first dropping in 2004, in my opinion, is the most recognizable Bape camo. Why? Because it was featured in all kinds of music videos back in the early 2000s. That Color Camo Red was featured the most. The Color Camo always drops together in the purple, red, and navy. Including the three, occasionally the Color Camo Black would drop at the same time, but only on certain items. And when Bape combines the three,
Let our powers combine.
we have the Crazy Camo. First up, the navy. We have that iconic all over Bape camo in the navy colorway. Now heads up, this is not two hoodies stitched together. It's a single body hoodie with two hoods, so you get double the shark action. On the first hood, you have a solid navy color with the screen printed WGM graphic on the right and the screen printed tiger graphic on the left. On the second hood, you have a mirrored image but with the all over camo print. And on the right, instead of the screen print, we have the stitched WGM patches. To make sure your double hoodie is secured, Bape included this clip-on at the very top. Though the Color Camo Navy is the least popular out of the three, if you want to keep it somewhat low-key, this is the one. Next up, the Color Camo Red Double Shark Hoodie. Similar to the navy, we have the all-over camo print, but in the red colorway. First hood, solid red color. Second hood, the all-over camo print. Now I know why the red one is always featured in those music videos. The red one has a pop to it, super clean. Next up, the Color Camo Purple Double Shark Hoodie. Here we have the all-over Bape camo print in the purple colorway. Inside hood, solid purple. Outside hood, Bape camo print. With my many years of handling Bape, there's always been a popularity war between the purple and the red. For a minute, Color Camo Red was on top, but the purple was not too far behind. What took purple over the top is the resurgence of lean culture, aka syrup, aka scissor, aka purple drink. Nowadays, they neck and neck, with the navy not too far behind. Well, there it is, the Color Camo Double Shark Hoodie. Which one you copping? As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.